This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, Twitch, the popular live streaming platform, has announced the rollout of a discovery feed in response to years of complaints from creators about the lack of growth opportunities for smaller streamers. The announcement was made during the opening ceremony at TwitchCon Paris, where the company also unveiled several other new features. The discovery feed aims to address the issues of smaller streamers struggling to gain exposure on the platform. Similar to TikTok's feed, the discovery feed will be a scrollable vertical feed within the Twitch app. It will algorithmically recommend clips from creator streams even when they are not live. However, Twitch emphasized that this is not prioritizing short-form content over live streaming, as the platform's focus is on live interactive channels. The purpose of the discovery feed is to help viewers discover new channels and communities to join when they are live. Twitch plans to launch the discovery feature in the fall, but in the meantime, the company will run limited versions of the feature to test its algorithm. In addition to the discovery feed, Twitch is also expanding its support for short-form video content. The platform acknowledges that many creators rely on promoting their content on platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok to attract viewers to their Twitch channels. To address this, Twitch is introducing new editing features that would allow creators to natively edit clips from their streams into vertical format. Moreover, Twitch will now support direct exports to YouTube, and starting in August, users will be directly able to export clips to TikTok. Furthermore, Twitch is joining the trends of stories that has become popular on many social media platforms. Stories will be available on Twitch's mobile app and appear on the following pages. Creators can choose to make their stories publicly viewable or exclusive to paying subscribers. However, these stories will still be subject to Twitch's community guidelines and will be moderated using automated text and image scanning technology. On the other hand, to address concerns about ad breaks interrupting content without sufficient warning, Twitch is introducing a chat countdown timer for streamers. The timer will provide a heads up for ad breaks, allowing streamers to adjust their content accordingly. Streamers will have the option to snooze or pull ahead during ad breaks, giving them more control over their streams and better decision making for their community. Twitch is also enhancing its guest star feature, which enables streamers to collaborate with each other. With the new Streaming Together feature, up to 5 creators will be able to stream simultaneously while appearing live on their own channels. Initially, this feature will be available to a select number of channels starting in August, but will eventually roll out to all streamers in the coming month, regardless of their partner or affiliate status. The platform recognizes that the service it offered 5 years ago is not sufficient for the current community, and it aims to keep building and innovating to support its creators and viewers. This has been your Daily Tech News, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.